Hello everyone and welcome back. In this coroutine playlist, let's talk about how to use coroutines in many scenarios. For background image processing, coroutines with retrofit, run database, asynchronous flow, new tickets, channels, concurrent, shared states. If you want to learn all of it and still help me, please subscribe, leave a like, and let's start from the beginning. I create this file here so we can talk today about scopes. Basically, scopes provides lifecycle methods for coroutine. We can start and stop them. We just pass here and you can read with me and you can keep this. We will help you with the exercise. We have here GlobalScope. This scope is the lifecycle of the application. It's really a big scope. We normally don't use these applications. We have this runBlocking here. The scopes in the lifecycle of the thread. It starts a new coroutines and blocks the current thread until the coroutine execution is complete. We have coroutineScope. The scope is a suspend function that doesn't complete until all children coroutines complete themselves. Let's start here. You can see all these three working together. Let's start a print here, print ln, and let's make this saying the program will now block execution here. The program execution will now block. You can guess that we're gonna use the run blocking here. Let's call this run blocking like this. Inside this run blocking here, we're gonna call some coroutines and see how this will work. And after the run blocking starts, we can print ln and program execution will now continue. So inside this run blocking here, let's call the launch one here. Let's call launch. And here we can call our delay. And let's make this 1000, 1 second here. And we can print ln, print line, and test from run blocking. This is really fine. We can see that this task here is running inside this one. Now we can call a GlobalScope, give a launch, a delay, half second is good. And here we can call a coroutineScope, give it a launch. And we can call delay here, second half, and test from coroutineScope. This is fine for us. Let's run this and see what's happened here. The program is running and is really fast. You can see that we started our program here, and then we call our GlobalScope, then the run blocking, this one 1000, and then the coroutineScope here. You can guess what happens if we call this global launch here in the run blocking. Based on this text here, let's see what's happening here and we can talk a little about it. Let's run this now and see what's happening. You can see that the program executes now block and then this continually, and you can see that nothing is printed here. You know why? It's basically because the GlobalScope launch, they launch the coroutines, but it does not wait to the coroutine finish the work. That's why we have this coroutine hopes here. That's a suspend function that wait all the children to complete, because what's happened, they start the coroutineScope and this keeping running and this come here and finish it, and we don't have enough time because for this delay to the print ln working. This is what's happening here. If you change this here for a coroutineScope, let's make this suspend, we can execute this suspend fun, we'll see that the coroutineScope you wait until all these children to finish. Let's run this and see what's happening. You can see it started, GlobalScope, run blocking, coroutineScope, and then the program continue here. So I think this is the basic for scope for us. In the next class, we're gonna talk about context. I see you there.